What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on our Ram 2500. If you haven't seen this build, be sure to click the link in the description or click right up here. There was a bunch of sweat and dedication in this build. So now we're going to go ahead and install our new headlights and bulbs. Today's video is sponsored by Boslla Lights. They went ahead and reached out to us and sent these amazing bulbs right here. So we're going to go ahead and install them on our new headlights. Check these out. They're a whole lot nicer than those other ones because they were very dim, and this is going to make it a whole lot easier to tow at night. So let's go ahead and install these and see what they got. Dang, I really want to see what these have because this is the first 4-in-1 headlight bulb right here.
Yeah, man, I've heard a lot of good things about them. Super nice packaging.
This looks really nice. It's got a good connection right here, and they're gonna fit right into our original socket right over here. So let's go ahead and figure out the DRL on the headlights and start hooking these up.
Let's do it.
All right, you guys, so we got our Boslla bulbs installed. Everything is nice and secured. Oh yeah, dude. Nice and simple. Alright guys, so we got our headlights and our bulbs installed. Now let's go ahead and test them out. We got everything wired up. Those right there are our daytime running lights, and since this truck doesn't come with the DRL, we went ahead and wired those up with our parking brakes. Now let's go ahead and test the headlights out. Dang, check those out. Look how crystal white they are. That's really gonna help out in the dark conditions. And watch this right here. So the cool thing about these bulbs is you can change the color on them depending on the condition you're in. And that's really cool because you don't have any ballast or anything like that. It's just a plug and play process. And they look really cool and bright. So now we're gonna go ahead and test them out on the road and see what they look like.
Let's hit the road, champ. Man, she's driving smooth. Check out those lights though.
They're nice and bright, man. We don't even need any light bars or anything like that.
Ooh, man, this thing's a beast.
Let's go ahead and put some diesel in it because we're running kind of low.
First time we ever filled this truck up, eh?
Yeah.
They don't even have diesel, do they?
Nope.
Oh man, we gotta send it to another one.
Go find a gas station that actually sells the big boy fuel. For this episode, we just got the headlights installed and tested them out at night and got the truck filled up. Everything is nice and bright and we can see everything. So if you are interested in some of these lights, be sure to check out the link in the description. Use my code DannyTV to get a discount off your next purchase. Thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe and support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.TV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, so after testing these lights for a couple of days, I really like the way they perform. We tested them at night and in foggy conditions like this, and I really like the way they perform. They're nice and bright. and you don't need any extra wires or computers to hook up to. And I really know that they're a lot brighter than the halogen bulbs this truck comes with, but I'm thinking they're even brighter than some newer cars with the xenons. So if you are interested in these, be sure to click the link in the description, use my code, and brighten up your driving experience.